Welcome to our California Real Estate Exam Prep video series. We'll give you 20 daily practice questions for the next 100 days with detailed answers to help you pass the exam and get your license. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe. Let's start now.
1. Which of the following would be considered real property? A. Kitchen cabinet in a mobile home. B. Fruit that has not been picked, but which has been sold under contract. C. Stock in a mutual water company. D. Minerals which have been mined. Answer, C. Two. A lien may be created by recording. A. A notice of non-responsibility. B. A mortgage. C. An easement. D. A restriction. Answer, B. A mortgage is a lien. It's the legal right of disposition in the event of a default, i.e., breach, by the mortgagor. Three. Personal property is easily distinguished from real property by its A. Lower unit value. B. Multiplicity of use. C. Mobility. D. Greater variety. Answer, C. Four. When two or more party own property together as tenants in common. A. Each owner's interest must be equal. B. Each owner's interest may not be transferred by will or intestate distribution. C. The last surviving owner would hold title to the property in severalty. D. Each owner's interest may be conveyed separately. Answer, D. 5. When loaning money to two or more co-borrowers on a single promissory note, the lender would be best advised to increase the security on the note by inserting which of the following phrases after the names of the co-borrowers? A. Personally and corporately. B. Together as individuals. C. Individually and severally. D. Jointly and severally. Answer, D. Jointly and severally would mean that the co-borrowers were obligated both together and individually for the repayment. Six. Adam gives a life estate to K for the life of Watson. K dies. Which of the following would best describe the interest now held by Adam? A. A less than freehold estate. B. A reversionary interest. C. An estate in remainder. D. A fee simple estate. Answer, B. 7. Smith sold a home to Jones on a land contract and recorded the contract. Jones made a $25,000 down payment and after the sale, made a few of the required monthly payments. One night Jones moved out and abandoned the house. Which of the following is true? A. A buyer who later bought the property for cash would have no concern about Jones. B. A deficiency judgment could be obtained by Jones. C. There is a cloud on the title. D. The title is very marketable. Answer, C. If a land contract is recorded and the buyer later defaults on the purchase, then there is a cloud on the title that needs to be cleared off of the records before the next person buys the property. Eight. Another word for personal property is A. Tenancy, B. Freehold, C. Chattel, D. Fee. Answer, C. 9. Under the Federal Truth in Lending Law, the cost of credit on certain loans is expressed as A. A maximum percentage rate, B. An annual percentage rate, C. A minimum percentage rate, D. A monthly percentage rate. Answer, B. The Truth in Lending Law, Regulation Z, of the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Law, requires lenders to state interest rates in annual percentage rates, APR, to afford borrowers the opportunity to comparatively shop for money. 10. When an owner acquires land with riparian rights appurtenant thereto, such rights A. Give the purchaser absolute ownership of adjacent waters. B. Must be expressed in the deed. C. May be determined accurately from an examination of public records. D. Are only available to land adjacent to a stream and within the watershed. Answer, D. 11. Which of the following is not real property as between a buyer and seller of land? A. Trade fixtures, B. Shrubs and trees, C. Detached garage, D. All of the above. Answer, A. 12. Which of the following statements is most nearly true concerning the activities of mortgage companies? A. They are organized under federal laws and thus are not subject to state regulations. B. They never service the loans they create. C. They prefer negotiating loans which are saleable in the secondary market. D. They are not active in the field of government-insured loans. Answer, C. Mortgage companies often do service the loans they originate, are active in FHA and VA loans, and are usually organized under state laws. They often negotiate loans which are sold on the secondary market. 13. The purchaser of a sale-leaseback transaction would be least concerned with A. Location of the property, B. Depreciated book value of the building, C. Condition of the improvements, D. General credit of the lessee. Answer, B. The depreciated book value of the building refers to the adjusted cost basis of the seller of the building. Each new owner establishes his own book value and his own depreciation. 14. In complying with RESPA, a lender must furnish the prospective borrower an information booklet prepared by HUD no later than the third business day from which of the following dates? A. The date the uniform settlement statement is delivered to the borrower. B. The date of the opening of escrow on the sales transaction. C. The date the lender receives the borrower's loan application. D. The borrower requests a copy. Answer C. RESPA requires the delivery of a good faith estimate and the HUD booklet no later than the third business day from the date the application is received. (15) A legal action most likely to be taken in default of a recorded land contract is A. Lease pendens. B. Cloud on title. C. Foreclosure. D. Quiet title action. Answer D. The legal action taken on a land contract would be quiet title action in court to clear the seller's title. (16) Under the Truth in Lending Law, which of the following is not to be included in the finance charge? A. Appraisal fee. B. Loan points. C. Time/price differential. D. Finder's fees and similar charges. Answer A. Of the items mentioned, the appraisal fee is the one which is not included in the finance charge. (17) The legal meaning of the word waiver as it is applied to real estate transactions most nearly means: A. Estoppel. B. The justifiable reliance by one party upon the intentional act or omission of another. C. A unilateral act and its legal consequences. D. Detrimental reliance. Answer C. The word waiver, as applied to a real estate transaction, most nearly means a unilateral act and its legal consequences. One party waives certain rights. (18) Private property restrictions on real property are usually enforced by A. A judgment. B. An injunction. C. An indictment. D. A desist and refrain order. Answer B. A civil suit could be brought, seeking a court order, ordering the person to stop the violation. (19) The Truth in Lending Law, Regulation Z, would normally apply to which of the following? A. All loans primarily for agricultural purposes. B. Most second mortgage loans used to purchase a residence. C. A construction loan for a single-family residence. D. All construction loans to build an apartment building. Answer B. Regulation Z applies to most second mortgage loans to finance the purchase of the borrower's residence. (20) In your opinion, the relationship between the thing desired and the potential purchaser is best defined as: A. The relationship between utility and value. B. The relationship between demand and value. C. Value. D. The present worth as opposed to future income. Answer C. This is a definition of the word value.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel so you don't miss out on our future videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.